how to claim a bonus and one win, and how you can use it. So first things first is you have two options in here. Either use the web version of OneWin or just simply download the application via the official site. Now in here, for you to be able to claim your very first bonus, all you have to do is to click this login and then create an account. So the very first bonus that you'll receive is by creating or by successful uh, creation of account. You should now then be able to claim your bonus by creating an account. Now, how you can use it. To use your bonus, you'll have to enter it manually first. Once you log into your account, just head straight into promotions, and then in there, you should be able to see your sign-in bonus. Just simply hit on claim or use. Then you just have to follow those necessary requirements for you to be able to officially get that bonus. So those are the things that you'll have to do first before you can claim and use your bonus codes in one win.